Hello everyone, welcome back to Initial Solution. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to upload a document to ChatGPT. So let's get started the video. To upload a file to ChatGPT, at first open ChatGPT in a web browser. From here, click the icon. You will find it in the message entry field. Here you have three options: connect with your Google Drive or Microsoft OneDrive, or you can upload the file from your computer. Select the option you prefer. Now select the file you want to upload and click open. Now write down the prompt to instruct it to produce the outfit you want. Then click send. So there you have it. I hope this video helped you out. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a like and subscribe to Initial Solution for more helpful tutorials. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.